Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the wake up phase for Apple Watch in the Sleep Cycle application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down at the settings section, click on the Apple Watch button and then click on the wake up phase button. And as you can see, there are several options, and there's a recommended one as well, so just click on the one that you want to use and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.